The people who are looking for a guru's head is not the
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
And Mr. Speaker.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Diti Murano bunge-ini.
Point of order. Point of order. Mr. Speaker, we are saying point of order, Mr. Speaker. We cannot be lectured.
Maseneta magĩũkanĩrĩra ndereti-inĩ ĩgiĩ cira wa gavana wa Kirinyaga Ann Mũmbi Waigũrũ.
On a point of order, Mr. Speaker, we have been accused.
Order.
Mr. Speaker, on a point of order.
We must conclude. Order.
Mr. Speaker, you told me you'll give me a chance.
Senator Murkomen, I have given you a lot of time.
On a point of order.
Please.
It's a point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Leader, can you conclude? I'll give you a
point of order, Speaker.
Kĩrĩa gĩtũmire maseneta mokanĩrĩre nĩ itua rĩa kana mbunge ĩno ya maseneta ĩkũhũthĩra kamĩtĩ kana mbunge ng'ima gũcirithia gavana Waigũrũ.
And if this case is heard in plenary, it will vindicate the governor if she is innocent. But the people of Kirinyaga will have seen that government, that justice was served in the right way.
Today, some people have done so well, they are not looking for justice, they are looking for somebody's head. And that head is not for Salome. That head is for somebody. Waiguru's head is being asked for not by the county assembly. I can tell you, and I have the evidence. The people who are looking for a guru's head is not the
point
county
of order,
assembly.
Mr. Speaker.
For the leader of minority, Senator Orengo, to impute improper motive in this house, when we know very clearly that the impeachment motion has been brought by the County Assembly of Kirinyaga, so for him to continue lecturing here on nonsense, basically, it is inappropriate.
Na thutha wa ndereti ĩno, maseneta aingĩ matua itua rĩa ndereti ya kũmwarĩrĩria kamĩtĩ ya andũ 11 arĩa maramũrĩtwo.
These are the results of the vote. Abstentions 1, the nays 14, the ayes 45. So that means order. That excitement can be done outside the chamber. Order members, I therefore direct that the committee commences their work immediately and report back within 10 days.
Ũũ nĩ kuuga atĩ thutha wa kũmũcirithia magira kene cira ũrĩa ũrarehetwo thĩinĩ wa mbunge ĩno, itua rĩa mũthia rĩa kamĩtĩ ĩno rĩtikarehwo harĩ mbunge ng'ima, ũndũ ũrĩa maseneta amwe mareganĩte narĩo.
The senators who are here know very well that if a committee is chosen and for whatever reason they go and clear the governor, that is the end of the matter. It will never come back to this house.
Maseneta arĩa mararegana na Waigũrũ gũcirithio nĩ kamĩtĩ maugĩte kwĩna mĩanya ya ungumania ĩrĩa kwĩyumĩria na kĩhoto kĩa andũ a Kirinyaga gĩtigũkinyanĩra.
It's unfortunate, Mr. Speaker. It looks like the die is cast, but I can tell the people of Kirinyaga, going the committee way, the verdict is known. Watch this piece.
Waigũrũ ahagũrirwo nĩ mbunge ya Kirinyaga agĩcukĩrwo ũhũthĩri mũũru wa wabici na ungumania. Thutha wa ndereti ya makĩria ya mathaa matano thĩinĩ wa mbunge ya Senate, rĩu kamĩtĩ ya andũ 11 nĩyo kũhe mwerekera aikari a Kirinyaga kana gavana wao nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na wĩra kana nĩ ekũhagũrwo. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo mũitĩrĩri wa Wangari.